Sir, I had one question regarding the non-invasive ventilation leads to the intestinal perforation. In some babies, we are going through it. So, in 3 times, how we will decide that non-invasive ventilation we can start or ventilate the baby like that to avoid the intestinal perforation.
I think you're talking of spontaneous intestinal perforation in the babies who are very low birth weight. The extreme low birth weight, we see it, in about 10 to 15% of such babies. Unfortunately, that should not discourage us from going for more aggressive. I mean, if you look at the lectures on extubation, we don't encourage you to extubate less than 25-week babies in the first 3 to 4 days. These are the highest risk for SIP as well. So try to keep them intubated. And if you look at units like Iowa, for example, they keep the babies ventilated even up to 30 weeks or 31 weeks. So we don't want you to do that long, but at least in the first 5 days, the risk of IVH is more. We are talking of babies below 25 weeks, so don't confuse with bigger babies. The 25 weeks and above, manage the ventilation appropriately, decompress the stomach, keep the feeding tube open and be careful with the feed progression. Feeding is actually protective. Some of these babies have inspissated meconium, so some units use glycerin suppository, or sometimes even the gastropaque wash is used. If there is a delayed passage of meconium, the sick rate might increase. Or if there is a PDA which meets the criteria for treatment, you can treat it. So these are factors you can look at, but you wouldn't discourage use of NIPPV. Be careful with the extubation of the extreme premature babies. When you extubate, the timing is important. First 3 to 4 days, if they are ventilated, leave them ventilated in the 25 weeks and below. The bigger babies, you can be more aggressive with extubation even within the first day. And in the bigger babies, usually we don't see SIP. But if there is a hyperdynamic PDA or you've needed steroid with ibuprofen or indomethacin, the risk of SIP is more. NEZ is different, of course. So, I can't answer this. It's a big topic, but this is in summary. I think we are short of time. So